Stand easy. Thank you, outgoing PPC, for a very warm welcome. I wish to congratulate the outgoing PPC on all of the achievements that he has made with all of you to combat some of the challenges in the Enga Province. It's a province that has its challenges, but it's a wonderful province with many wonderful people, and we know that if we work with the community, that we can bring very good results, and we've seen that under your outgoing PPC, and that's how I will be taking us as we move forward. I wear your uniform, even though I might be a different skin colour. I'm a member of the RPNGC, a very proud member of the RPNGC. My oath is to the Constitution of PNG to follow the orders of the Commissioner. And that's what I'm going to do, and that's what you will do with me. We'll abide by the Police Act, the laws of PNG, the CSOs, and we'll set the example. You've baselined a very fine example. Your dress, your way you carry yourself, the work you've done. On the way in yesterday, the checkpoints. We've got a very, very capable police force here in Enga. We want to take it from this level and see if we can go any further, because we should strive for excellence. Because the people of Enga deserve the best police that the RPNGC can give them, and many of them are here. We'll work with the provincial government, we'll work with the national government, we'll work with the community and the community groups, and with the church groups, and with the tribal leaders and the LLG and the folks in Enga to solve their problems. The one message from me, and it's circulated already: the rule of law must prevail. We are police officers first and foremost, and we undertake policing duties to protect life and property and uphold the laws of PNG. That's what we're doing. Nothing else. We'll be there for custom things in the background after our work's finished. That's all I ask from you, and be diligent and set a very good standard. But I think with that, thank you very much for the warm welcome. For the community members who have turned up today, thank you. The officers, the ACP, their superintendent and other commissioned officers, and particularly our outgoing PPC, thank you very much. That's all I wish to say at the moment. We'll have another parade in the future between us. The public can come, and I'll express some strategic and operational directions. That's all, Mr.